sides, and angles. So why are these polygons? Can someone tell me why these ones are polygons? Estella?
Because they all have like clothing.
Yeah, they're all closed.
Also, all their lines are straight.
They all have straight lines.
Straight.
At least 3 straight lines, sides. What's another thing? Nate? Yeah, they have 3 straight sides and angles. Why are these not polygons? Malia?
Because it's like a circle-ish shape.
Why would a circle not be a polygon?
Because they don't have angles.
There's no angles or sides. This one is not a straight side, right?
Yeah.
And this one is open. Sorry, Alyssa. You can go to the next one. Okay. Can someone read the term and meaning for this next one? Elias?
Side. Line segments that form a polygon.
So we know this is pretty self-explanatory, right? But the sides of a shape, right? The line segments that form a polygon. So that is the side. Triangle side, square side. How many sides does a square have? Everyone?
4.
Four.
Is it? 4.
Okay. Next one. Let's see. Ava?
Vertex. The point where two sides meet.
So when 2 sides come together, this is called a vertex. What's it called when there's more than one vertex? Anybody know? It's not vertexes, it's
Vertices?
Vertices, yeah. When there's more than one, you say, how many vertices do we have here? Everybody?
4.
4. How many vertices do we have here? 4.
4.
Okay, great.
I'll read it.
You want to read it, Austin?
Yeah.
Okay, can someone give it to Austin? Okay. Can you read it from there?
Parallel lines.
Mm-hmm.
A line that is the same distance apart and never touches.
Right. So in parallel lines, you know, they're always going. They're never gonna meet. Kind of like train tracks, right? Why does this shape have parallel lines? How does it have parallel lines? Tyler, do you know?
No.
Ethan?
Because they're all parallel.
Yeah, right. There's 2 sets, right? 2 that go this way and never meet. 2 that go this way and never meet. Okay.
Can I do
Very nice. I think Malia wants to read. Okay, you can read after.
Can I be
Thank you.
after?
Yeah. There's going to be plenty of chances for people to read and volunteer. Don't worry. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
Intersecting.
Lines that meet at points.
At a point. So when lines, it's like the opposite of parallel. So instead of being constantly not, they kind of touch. Does anyone ever hear their parents say, "Oh, I'm driving up to the intersection"? It's kind of like where the two streets meet. So it's basically the point where this meets. So in this triangle, the two sides, Austin, the 2 sides are meeting, right? They're intersecting. Does that make sense? Does a triangle ever have parallel lines? No, right? Because the sides are always going to meet, right? Okay. They do already meet. Okay. Last one.
Angle. The space between two intersecting lines, right angle shape.
meet, it's kind of like the other side of the vertex, the vertex. Right here, we have these different angles. This is a type of angle. Right angle, it's an L shape. Do you remember when we were using the right angle triangle to kind of talk about the clock and the different quarters? It creates a right angle. The last group kind of talked about different angles. Anyone know what it's called when it's less than a right angle? So this is a right angle.
Triangle. Obtuse angle.
Obtuse?
And then less than right angle would be obtuse.
Yeah, so this would be a right angle, right? It makes an L shape. It's smaller than a right angle. It's kind of poised.
It's 90.
It's cute. It's like a cute angle, right? And then it's obtuse, right? It's bigger than a right angle. Yes.
It's like.
Here we go.
And this is like what we're cutting. Oh yeah, this is fun.
Okay. How are these? Wait. Let's think about this. How are these two shapes similar? How are they the same? Hayden? Yeah, I love that. You use the language from our board. They both have parallel sides.
Two pairs of parallel lines.
Two pairs of parallel lines. What does that make them?
Parallelogram.
Yeah, parallelograms.
I found another one.
Let's look up here. Two pairs of opposite parallel sides. So they are both parallelograms.
Okay, that would be. I found another shape.
Okay, what's another one, Sophie?
I found a square.
Right. Emerson? Yeah, they have three vertices, right? Three lines. How are these different? Emma?
One has obtuse angles, and the other
Yeah. This angle is obtuse, right? This is obtuse, and then these ones have three acute. Do either of these have a right angle? No. The triangle would have to be like this, right?
It's like up there.
Do you see it?
It's like up there. It's like a sandwich.
Where do you see it?
Yeah. No, it's like no.
Julie, anywhere?
Nuts. This one, if you turn it, so it's like more like that, it could go like that.
Yeah, you're right. So Julian's saying that it might not be quite a right angle, but I know what you're saying, that it's almost there.
It's a 95-degree angle. Oh my God, Mom, just said
These are quadrilaterals, right? Yes. I think those are squares. But they're also quadrilaterals. Because that one.
How is this one and this one? Why would I put those together?
But if it's not colored in,
What do they have in common?
Oh, they have parallel lines.
They have parallel lines?
And the side.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, great.
So,
Can I put, what about these two? Can I put these together? What do they have in common?
they both have right angles.
Yeah, they both have a right angle. But this one is, what's it called? They all are polygons. They have at least three straight sides and angles. Okay. What does it mean to have parallel lines? What is that, Ethan?
two lines that never meet.
They never meet. Does this have a set of parallel lines?
No. Oh wait, yes. One.
One set, right? Because these ones are going to eventually meet at the top. So these aren't parallel lines, but these ones are, right? Okay.
Is it not like a train?
Your train track?
What is a parallelogram? What is a parallelogram? So I'm looking for a new hand. What is a parallelogram? Okay, Stella? Yeah, a parallelogram has two pairs of parallel lines, okay? Two pairs. So this is a parallelogram, yes. Is this also a quadrilateral?
Yes.
Yeah. What is a quadrilateral? Malia?
A shape with 4 sides.
It has 4 sides, okay. Can someone find another parallelogram? There's 2 sets of parallel lines. Tyler?
This one.
Yes?
A square.
Definitely. Okay. There's a couple more up here. Malia? Beautiful. Neat.
No.
Okay. I think those are about it. So let's listen carefully. A rhombus has 2 sets of parallel lines and all the sides are the same length. So in this group, do you see a rhombus? Jaden, do you see one?
Mm-hmm.
2 sets of parallel lines, all sides are the same length. Okay, come up here and show me. Yes, yes, definitely. Is there another one?
Mm-hmm.
Ava? Yes, definitely. All sides are the same length, and we've got 2 sets of parallel lines. Why are these not a rhombus? Why are these not a rhombus? Christoph, do you know?
They're not a rhombus. They are not a rhombus.
Yeah.
Because the rectangle is not like the rhombus. Because
So think about the sides.
the rhombus has two sets of acute angles,
Mm-hmm.
but the rectangle just has right angles.
Right, but this is also a rhombus. A rhombus is classified by having 2 sets of parallel lines and the sides are all the same length. So why are these not a rhombus? Elizabeth?
Because not all sides are the same.
Yeah, not all sides are the same length. Okay? Can someone find me a shape with a right angle? What's a right angle again? Ava, what's a right angle? And then you can find the shape.
Right angle is like a L.
It's an L shape. Yeah. Okay, so what's a shape with a right angle? Yeah, come on. Sorry. Really good. Okay. Can someone find another one? Ethan?
This one.
Yes. Where is the right angle?
Right here and right here.
Very good. How about Austin? Wanna come find one? One with a right angle. Great. So we call this one because it is a right angle. What shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. We call this a right triangle. Okay? Oh, I started there. Very good. I think that's about it.
Look, there's one more though. Actually, there's one.
The right angle?